Hey guys, it's Taylor. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I hope that you enjoy your first time here. Today I am filming a video. I never film these kind of videos on my channel, but I've been really loving this like super easy beachy curl lately, and even though I didn't achieve it any revolutionary way, I thought I would just show you guys my technique and sit down with you and actually just do my hair. So that is what I'm doing today. I feel like there's not a whole lot of explaining to do. I just like these really nice, I feel like they're kind of like a casual, effortless, beachy curl waves. That's exactly what I'm gonna call this video. Casual, effortless, beachy curl waves. Whatever I happen to call it. This is a hairstyle that I've been loving lately. I don't use a lot of heat on my hair. You guys know that I don't like blow dry my hair or anything like that. So when I do happen to use heat on it, I tend to like a style like this. So I thought that I would share it with you guys today. So if you wanna see how I get these effortless curls, go ahead and keep watching.
So I'm just going to start by spraying some heat protectant into my hair. This is the Chi 44 Iron Guard. I've been using this one off and on with the Tresemme one, and I think I like this one better. I really like the smell of this one. So I'm just going to go ahead and spray it through my hair and then brush it to distribute it evenly. Then I'm going to take my NuMe Titan 3 curling wand, and this is the biggest barrel. I will put all the sizing information down below, but it does come with 3 different size barrels, and this is just the biggest one. So I pop that on, go ahead and get it heating up, and then I'm going to section off a very, very small bottom section of my hair. I'm just gonna kind of do this all in layers, and then everything else I'm going to, brush to kind of make sure it's all tight, and then I'm going to clip it up into a butterfly clip while I do the lower section. Then I'm just going to start taking pieces. I like to brush it out and make sure that everything is nice and smooth before I start going in to curl it. Then I'm gonna start taking pieces just about this big. I'm really bad at estimating like how much hair that is, but they're not super huge, but definitely I want them to be thick enough that the heat is not going to damage them super easily. And then I'm just going to wrap the sections that are close to the front of my face. I'm wrapping them away from my face. I hold it for anywhere from like 6 to 8 seconds usually, and then I'm just going to pop it down off of the barrel. And then what I like to do is I like to pull it taut so it kind of straightens it out and loosens the curl a little bit. That's kind of the look that I go for, is something really natural. And then I'm just going to continue to do this. Once I get a little further away from my face, I'll start alternating, so some of them towards the front and some of them the other way. I just think that this gives off, the most natural look, and I like for them to kind of be varied in there, so it's kind of a mix of curls going different ways. So that is kind of how I structure that. And really the most important part of this process is just getting that pull at the end of the curl to really let it out. So I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of this layer, and we'll move on. Another important thing that I want to note right here is that I do like to leave a little bit off of the barrel at the end to kind of almost create that straight end sort of look. I feel like this makes it look a lot more natural. It's very effortless and beachy, and that's just kind of the goal of like these type of curls for me. So I like to leave a little bit of a section, not even an inch, off of the barrel at the end, just to kind of leave a little straight and natural section. I just feel like it makes it look a lot more natural once the whole look comes out. So now that I've let down my second section, I'm just going to kind of repeat the process all over there. I'm going to keep alternating, going away from my face, going towards my face, all the way around my head, just making sure that those ones in the front are always moving away from my face, because I do think that that tends to look the best and kind of keeps the hair out of your face and makes the best shape, I feel like, for framing your face. So just keep that in mind, that the ones close to your face you want to have going away, but then all of the other ones you can kind of alternate. And I'm just going to keep doing this until all of the layers are done.
For this hair tutorial, it's like I literally haven't done one of these in forever, so it was super fun to kind of do it. I want to try to get better at hair tutorials. I want to get better at doing my own hair, honestly. So once I figure that out, I do have some videos coming that I can do with my extensions and different things like that, just different styles that I've been liking. I'm pretty low maintenance when it comes to my hair. I don't blow dry it. I don't typically use hot tools unless I'm curling it. Sometimes I wear my extensions, but usually not. Like, I literally always wear my hair down. Usually I just wear it like it dries naturally, and I just use whatever it happens to look like that day. day. These little bangs are giving me crap today, so I might pin them up just because they're getting super annoying. But either way, thank you guys so much for joining me today. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and let me know down below what other types of hair tutorials you would like to see, because I just want to get more into it. I feel like I don't really do those and I want to get better at it. So give me some practice. Let me know down below what you want to see. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see all my new videos. I post at least once a week. That is my challenge for myself because I have so much going on this semester. I think I said this in I just filmed another video on this makeup look, so I will link that down below, by the way. But my challenge to myself is to have a video out at least once a week, if not more. So definitely click the subscribe button so you can see all my videos. Don't forget to click the little bell as well. That'll just notify you anytime I post a new video. Since I don't have a specific upload day, I usually upload on Thursdays, but it's kind of all over the place. I either do Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. So just in case, so you're notified anytime I post a new video, go ahead and click that little bell. And with that, this video is complete. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. I've had so much fun getting back into YouTube with you guys this year, and I'm so excited for what's to come. So thank you for watching and thank you for coming along on the ride, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!